everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button because you'll find new DIYs and tutorials here every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And you've tuned in at a wonderful time because I am just getting started with my 12 days of Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs. So welcome to day 2. I'm going to make a playlist and I'll link that down below so you can go back and watch all of these videos all over again. And in today's tutorial, I grabbed lots and lots of candy, all of which are from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to be using these to create some really cute crafts and gifts that you can give to your friends and family or teachers, anybody that you need a thoughtful gift for and still stay on a budget. So let's go ahead and get started. So this first little guy is gonna be a reindeer, and I don't know if I'm saying this right, but do you say it like this? Ferrero Rocher? I don't know. That's what I call them anyway, and this 3-pack is from Dollar Tree, as well as these wiggly eyes. And then I have some cardstock. I have brown and white. I have some scissors and my hot glue. Okay, so I grabbed one of the candies out, and that's gonna be his nose. So I'm just gonna freehand sort of a reindeer head shape. Basically, it's just going to be his head and ears, and then we're going to use the white cardstock for his antlers. Alright, so I have my antlers and my reindeer head. Now if you're going to be making several of these, the first one's going to take you a little bit longer, but then you can use your pieces as a template and then just trace a bunch of them and cut them all out that way. And now what I'm going to do is attach my antlers to the back here. I'm going to add my wiggly eyes and my Ferrero Rocher for the nose, and just use some hot glue and he'll be ready to go. And now we're gonna make a big giant Santa sleigh. So from Dollar Tree, I have some Hershey Kisses. They have these 3-pack of chocolate Santas. I also grabbed this Peppermint Crunch Junior Mint candy because of the red and green Christmassy colors. 2 of their big giant peppermint sticks. And then I also have some red and white baker's twine, some saran wrap, and my hot glue gun again. Okay, so we're gonna make Santa's sleigh first. So these are gonna be the little runners underneath. And then the Peppermint Crunch is going to be the base of the sleigh and basically hold this all together. So I'm gonna use my hot glue to glue the box on top of the peppermint sticks. Alright, and I'm also going to add some Scotch tape to the back and the bottom of this to make sure my candy canes don't come detached from the box. And we're gonna make another cute reindeer using these candy tubes from Dollar Tree. I also have the wiggly eyes in a pom-pom ball from Dollar Tree, a red one. I brought out my craft paper again, and then I have some tape. All right, so basically what we're gonna do is tape our tubes together so they stay in place. And then we're gonna wrap our paper around, cut it down to size, and we're gonna tape that on, giving the paper some wiggly eyes and a nose so he turns into Rudolph, and then these little curves at the top will be his antlers. You can also use candy as a bow for your packages instead of purchasing them and using the traditional kind. Why not add some candy to the top of your gift? So this wrapping paper is from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm just gonna tie it on with my baker's twine. Another really cute edible gift idea are these donut snowmen, and I found this pack of 4 of them at Dollar Tree. So this will only be 25 cents each, and I think that's such a great deal. They just need a little bit of work so we can turn them into snowmen. I have a piece of red felt that I'm going to use for his scarf. If you have ribbon, that might work a little bit better. I can't seem to find mine, so I'm going to use what I have on hand. I also have some black cardstock, a black marker, a pencil, scissors, and my glue gun. And the first thing I'm going to do is cut his little hat out of the black cardstock and glue that on top. So there's his hat. I'm just going to use my black marker to draw some eyes, nose, and a mouth, and then I'll cut a little strip of the felt and glue it around his neck to make him complete. Thank you all so much for joining me for today's tutorial. This was definitely a really fun one. Please give this video a thumbs up for me and let me know down in the comments below, what is your favorite candy? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We are just getting started with our 12 days of Dollar Tree DIYs. I have more great DIY tutorials in the link below that. You can find me on Facebook and on Instagram for more inspiration. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye everyone.